Hello, fellow YouTubers. Gearhead here with Gearhead's Corner, Las Vegas, Nevada, top of the desert. So, right now we're filming a 50's, I don't know, probably mid 50's international pickup cab. I think it was actually a tow truck because it's got a lever right there that I think might have been used to disengage a PTO. However, and I wasn't exactly born. Now, I'm old, but I'm not quite that old. You can see there's no frame or anything. And I got this cab from a gentleman who has a paint shop, and he's retiring. It's been in his paint shop for well over 20 years. And kind of cool, though. Old International. You don't see a lot of them. Everybody wants the Chevy, and they'll spend an arm and a leg, even break a couple just to get the Chevys. But there's a select few that love these old Internationals. Now, I'm really not trying to sell the cab. I don't have a title on it. He can't find that. I can't find a VIN on it, so I can't pin down the exact year. But there's probably people smarter than me on these old Internationals that knows exactly what they're looking at right now. And hey, I'd really appreciate you letting me know, because even the guy I got it from couldn't tell me the exact year. He's like, oh, I think it's a 55. So we'll call it a 55-ish International. And I actually have the emblems here, or 3 of them. And what did it say? It was I think it was a 120 series truck. But just looking around, I'm gonna do a walk around. I believe it was in an accident. The door's dinged pretty good. Front end's got a little bit of boogering on it as well. And let's slide over here, and that door, look at that door. Now, was it pried open so that they could get someone out in an accident, or just got stuck from being sitting for so dang long? I don't know, you tell me. But I'm not trying to sell this thing complete. It does have a few bits that I believe can actually hit eBay and make it worth my while picking up. But additionally, it's also got this old door, which is kind of unique because it's got a bit of Vegas history. And if you look at this, I know this place is not in business now. It says I believe it says Charlie Taylor Battery Company. It's got a Main Street address. It's got a old Vegas phone number, and it's got a chevron on there. So this is a bit of history. I'm willing to bet that this has to definitely predate the mid 80s. I would say even older. As far as the shop, you know, the door is definitely not usable, though it does have a few bits on it. But what it really is a really nice piece of wall art for your garage or your man cave, or any sort of stuff that you like to put up memorabilia in. You know, maybe even post it up above the bed for you and the missus can stare at it. So I'm going to show a few other things in here. It also has, you know, it looks like it's got a good dash, some gauges. I can't say whether they work or not, but look at that. Got an International ashtray. And not much else left. You do have an old mirror. Got a couple sun visors. There is, like I said, I got emblems. I got a little jar of bits, nuts and bolts, and whatnot. I will remove most of the stuff because, you know, That stuff is eBayable. And I'm going to try and hopefully I can drop this windshield without breaking it, because you can see right there, I started plugging away on that, and that stuff is old and nasty and vegetized. So, but what I'd really like to do is find a good home for this here door. It's actually wonderful. I have a bunch of stuff I've been saving and put up, but I got no room for it. And I've never been the biggest International fan, though I did drive my my stepdad's 67 International for a little while out in LA. And that was kind of a fun truck, but nowhere near as old as this guy. But yeah, remember, Charlie Taylor Battery Company in Las Vegas, Nevada, got a Main Street address. Anyone who likes memorabilia, and anybody that might be interested in a few bits that are inside of this, you know, maybe we can make a deal. I normally, small stuff, will send it USPS flat rate, because we know what it's going to cost. Bigger stuff, you know, I don't trust the Oops and FedEx, but you know, as far as their pricing, that is, we can always work something out. I'll ship that, you know, however we make arrangements on that. I'm posting this on ksl.com, and it's actually why I'm making this video, because there's a spot for a video. And you know what, I have been wanting to I've been wanting to make some videos for stuff that I make and whatnot, and just really haven't found the time. But yeah, you know, I do appreciate you looking at this. Ultimately, I do plan on starting to make stuff. I do make stuff out of old automotive parts. You know, if you check out my Face Turd page, you can see some of the stuff that I make, and get an idea. You know, pretty much automotive and motorcycle stuff, and actually some airplane stuff too I've dabbled with. But hey, again, thank you. I appreciate you stopping by. Please like, subscribe, and look for my further videos. And if you need anything from this, just shout, text, or whatever it is you're gonna do. Thank you.